Are your marketing emails landing in spam? Email security is crucial for your business. You need a solution to ensure safe, effective communication. EasyDMARC simplifies your DMARC experience. With just a few clicks, tackle email security issues effortlessly. Boost your sender reputation to reach maximum email deliverability. Enjoy higher open rates and clicks on your campaigns. Our managed BIMI solution is game-changing. Upload your logo and let EasyDMARC handle the rest with ease. Witness the unique benefit of brand recognition in email. Stand out in crowded inboxes while improving conversions. Don't let your emails go unnoticed. Start your free trial with EasyDMARC today and watch your engagement soar.